Welcome back to the channel, guys. So as you saw in the thumbnail, we have the Jordan 4 RM. And to be honest with you, when looking at these, they very much remind me of a skate shoe. Like, this is probably what the Jordan 4 SB should have been, instead of just basically throwing an SB logo on the Jordan 4. Don't get me wrong, I love the 4 SB. I'm going to grab the red ones and the blue ones when they come out next year. Love my pine greens, but this very much looks more like what a Jordan skate shoe would be like. So I can't wait to check these out further. I did look at them a little bit on hand, but let's kick it. So, love the box. Got that pine green Jumpman, speckled print, Nike Air logo, Air Jordan 4 RM, black light bone, dark gray, in my true size of 8.5, 23 on the wax paper. I did scoop these up from Goats, and go ahead and pull this little tag off. Here we have them. That's what I'm saying. They very much look like a skate shoe. Like everything about these. They got some thick oval laces that are damn near rope style laces. They're so thick. Nice cut of suede. And very soft leather. I'm actually very surprised with Jordan brand for this. They kind of brought it with the materials on this one. You have the Jordan 4 outsole in this cream light bone colorway that they speak of. And the polyurethane here does feel, it's not as dense as the typical like brick style polyurethane midsoles of the Jordan 3 and the Jordan 4. This is a little bit squishier like the Jordan 4 SB. Feel like they use the same polyurethane. Maybe I'm tripping, but it feels a little bit squishier. Visible air unit in the heel, encapsulated air unit in the forefoot, and these are super crazy plush. Let's just go ahead and go little by little. We've got some herringbone. We'll start on the bottom, work our way up. Got all this rubber, like I said, relatively squishy polyurethane, and then this toe ran, this piece that comes all the way around medial and lateral side, is actually decent quality suede. It is not a thick cut, as you can see. It's a thin cut, but it's nice and fuzzy suede, I gotta say. In the toe box, this is a soft leather. It's gonna crease, it's gonna wear nicely, but you know what? I'm to the point to where I've gotten so used to the plasticky synthetic leathers that don't crease and are stiff and boxy that when I come across some soft, relatively premium leather, I've gotten to the point to where sure, I don't want the crease, but the crease is an indicator of the quality, so I'm here for it. Then we have these kind of plastic overlays coming throughout that go up into the lacing system. We have it here on the bottom and as well up top to lock you down into the heel as we come around. A nice little Jumpman hit. So the pattern here is kind of a ballistic nylon ripcord type of just pattern. It's not that, it's plastic, but it has that kind of pattern. Nike Air on the back has the like a baby tab from what you get on the Jordan 4 typically. As we come around, you have more of that, a nice piece of that leather, but you can tell there's some hard TPU for a heel counter in here as you come around. You can feel it soften up a little bit. I can actually, there's nothing structured right here in this portion. More of that plastic coming around. That toe down view is actually really nice. Again, we look at those fat oval laces, and I really wish it wasn't hiding this tongue patch, because the tongue patch, if I can pull the laces down enough, it's actually really nice. It's another piece of suede like on the toe ran with embroidered Jumpman with the Flight logo. It's actually a really nice patch. Like, I don't know if I'll be able to rock these unlaced to the point to where I can show the patch more. It definitely won't. Like, I'll probably be able to get some of the Jumpman showing, but not the Flight script. It's just not going to work out and shake out that way like I would want it to, unfortunately. Go ahead and get these laces undone a little bit so I can actually open this bad boy up and get to that tongue a little bit more, because I'm telling you guys, I really like the patch on this. See, it's so hard to get into, but very plush, thick collar lining, very padded. This collar is like really cushy. Like, surprisingly, you can tell these are gonna. So I've seen some other reviews that they're kind of thicker on the foot. They hug the foot more because it's just a thicker shoe, and I can totally see why without having put my foot in it yet. Got a lot of padding on the tongue. This one, they very much a skate shoe. I don't know if that was the actual intention, but sure looks like a skate shoe. That might actually be the meaning behind it. Surprisingly, I can't pull the outsole out. That's kind of shocking here. Yeah, I can't pull the outsole. I'd have to heat up glue. It's glued in there. Yeah, it's not coming out. Does feel like cheap EVA. Nothing special here. That is what it is. So we have Jumpman logo here. We have Jumpman logo here. We have Nike Air on the back with a little Jumpman logo. Very interesting decision on the branding with these. And I forgot to mention this piece of Durabuck that we do have as an overlay here. It's decent. It might be real nubuck, but I don't think it is. It might be. It might be real nubuck instead of the synthetic Durabuck, because that's real suede. They're just thin cuts. Not too shabby. And I love the colorway. I love the color blocking of this. I think these are going to look dope with some joggers. And speaking of, that's what we're about to do with this. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to throw them on foot. You saw them on foot already, and we always finish the video with the full section of on foot footage, but you've seen them on my feet already. I haven't yet. So we're going to get into that part. So thank you for watching. Thanks for checking this out. I have not tried them on yet, so if you have any questions on sizing, which seems to be a lot of the follow-up in the comment section, always ask me in the comment section. I'll let you know, because I order my true size, and I'll let you know what I think as far as should you go up half a size, wide footers, and so on. That's kind of been the norm in these videos, because I film this while they're crispy clean, and I film the on-foot portion after the fact. I wear them after the fact, so I'm not able to really weigh in, having not tried them on how they fit. But I can always answer that in the comment section, because I'll have already worn them and rocked them long after this video comes out. So again, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for checking out the video. I'll catch you on the next one.